lads. Morning boys, before this video kicks off I just want to say rear window stickers are back in stock and they're on the website, only £4. I know a lot of you have been asking for them and they're here. Look, it's snowing. Oh no, that's not good for what I want to do today. It's bloody snowing, lads. Now a lot of you are not going to be happy with this video and I feel like I've just got mad deja vu because I've said that not so long ago. Hate this, man. I can never get in my bloody car. Ugh, tighten now. Yeah, I'm still ill. Oh my god. Ugh. Woo. God, it's cold. Now, do you remember my last video how stressed out I got and how I said that I'm going to consider letting Maya go soon? Well, today I promised you a few days ago that I will have a video out for you guys to watch while I'm at Centre Parks tomorrow. And it's snowing. So instead of working on Maya, which I really don't want to do, we're going to go have a look at some different cars, lad, to see. And I'm not buying a car today, boys. Well, you know, I said it last time what I ended up doing, but I'm not buying a car today, okay? I'm not buying a car today. I'm going for two reasons. And the two things I'm going to come out with are A, I'm going to hate the cars and I'm going to fall in love with Maya again. Perfect, what I need. Or B, I'm going to think, yeah, okay, this car's good, I do need a change. B, no matter what, I'm going to come out with this feeling happy. That's the most important thing. Because A, I'm going to fall back in love with the car that I have now. Or B, I'm going to fall in love with a car which will probably be a lot nicer than Maya's been now. I'm going to, at the end of the day, I'm going to come out happy with what I do today. So it needs to be done, alright? Now, I don't want to start a war in the comments. Oh, you shouldn't get that, you should get this, you should get this, you shouldn't get that, don't get that, get that. I don't want to do that, lads. I'm going to get what I want to get, alright? I'm going to get what I want to get. I'm not going for anything slower than I've already got, and I'm definitely not going for anything not Japanese. I'm going to say, lads, I'm not going for anything not Japanese, alright? So I'm going to have a look at a few Japanese cars today. I've got two in mind. Maybe when I'm at the place I'm going, I might have a look for another one. But we'll see, boys, we'll see. I'll show you them all. And I know the comments are going to absolutely kick off. And I know this is going to cause an absolute war, but I don't care, lads. It's going to be fun. Take this away. Otherwise, I can't see where I'm going. I can't see where I'm turning. Ah! Oh, my ass is soaking. Oh my god. First tip to looking at a car, lads, is always turn up earlier than you say you're going to be there from. The amount of times, you know, you turn up half an hour early and they're there bloody, you know, got it on jumping it, and or they're there like topping up coolant or something, lads. You don't want to do that. So yeah, always get there about half an hour earlier than you say you're going to be. Ooh, hello. Sitting in the Scoobster. Battery's dead though, so I know that they're a pain in the arse, these, or the immobilised on the Subarus. They're actually a pain in the arse. You've got to get in, unlock it again, and then it won't, otherwise it won't start. The battery's dead, which means decent haggle on the price. It means he's had it for a while. But why has he had it for a while? That's a bigger question. But don't know, we'll see. We're gonna look for some more anyway, because bug eyes are my favourite shape. But oh, it's nice, lads. I just want to hear it. I just want to fucking hear it. Straight piped as well. Funny thing is about the Subarus, I'm just saying, funny thing is about the Subarus, right? Because they know that the immobilisers are like shit. Yeah. See this little thing down here? Yeah. They've got buttons there. Yeah. Subaru have like a 24/7 hotline thing where if you're ever like stuck in your car and it won't start because immobilisers are fucked. Right. You ring them, they give you a code, they put it in, and it starts the car. No way. Yeah. Well, no. See if it starts again. I think that's just immobilised, that though. Yeah, it is. So if it's immobilised, so you got to fucking press that with the ignition's on. Pain in the arse, that. Oh! Engine seems alright, like it's pretty standard to be fair. It's just got an exhaust and obviously a blow off valve, but it's pretty standard. It's got a little bit of belt squeal. Tiny bit of belt squeal. I've not checked the oil or anything yet. I'm going to let it get up to temperature. And then going to check the coolant and stuff. And hopefully it gets up to temperature first. No! Come by the Subaru as well. Fuck the Begans! Joking, I love you, Maya, you're a good girl. Open the bonnet, check the coolant. There was absolutely nothing in there, and there was absolutely no oil in it whatsoever. So I'm completely walking away from that. He was like, oh, well, we normally keep on top of things like that. I was like, well, you shouldn't really need to top up coolant because you don't, and you shouldn't, and oil shouldn't. It was literally fucking dry as anything, and you shouldn't need to top up coolant whatsoever. So I mean, nah, walking away from that one, boys. Goodbye, Mr. Subaru, you are beautiful, but it's an absolute shame that someone's not looked after you. Bye. One of the cars was a 350Z that I was going to look at close by, but he sold it. And the other Subaru guy said he's only available at 3 o'clock. And it's like 1 o'clock. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. So, but man needs some food. I'm really disappointed with that, actually. Because that was actually a beautiful car, but I mean, no oil and no coolant, like what the fuck? See, it's been sat there for about 20 years. What was that noise? Or it's leaking coolant and burning oil, which is probably the case. Head gasket's gone. So, nah, we're not going to do that. But, oh, the bloody, oh, fucking hell. Who has a gate half open like that? Silly bastards. Jesus. Woo! But I'm going to give the other Subaru owner a text now and see where he's at. Anyway, lads, the other Subaru guy turned us down today. Looks like the whole day we went looking at one Subaru, which was an absolute nugget. No coolant, no oil. What the fuck? Yeah, so, I mean, the day didn't go as planned as it was. I thought I would have a good few, you know, plans of what to do. But I am on the swap stuff, so I am speaking to a lot of Subaru owners who do want to swap with Maya. But I mean, I'm going away for a week now, so not much will come of it, so I'm going to have to just wait till I get home next week. But, you know, I do want a Subaru, lads. Everyone's like, oh, well, the Subarus are crap. Yeah, whatever. I know that Maya is a lot better than a Subaru in most ways, you know. Like, I genuinely do know that. But it's just something I want to do, you know. I've always wanted to own a Subaru. I like this how cool they are. And I'm sick of working on Maya, to be perfectly honest. So, yeah. Probably will end up getting one soon, lads, but I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't even know if you've enjoyed it or not. I know there's going to be a lot kicking off in the comments, but this is the end of the video, lads. I've got a lot of stuff to do tonight. I've got a lot of stickers to get posted and stuff for the morning. So if it is, lads, I love you all. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the decision of me wanting a Subaru. As I said, it's not finalised yet. I'm just testing the water. But I love you all. I'll see you next time.
Hold on.